Hello everyone, this is Crypto Maximalist. Welcome back to another video. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already, and get involved if you like the content. So we're just taking a look at Avalanche here. As we can see, it's had a very bullish day today so far. This daily candle is having a very nice move to the upside. As we said before, we have seen, Avalanche cleanly starting to break out of some key levels of resistance here, just like a lot of cryptos are doing right now. I mean, basically, if you look at any crypto chart, you are going to see something very similar to this. You've basically got a range that was created. We come down, we form the low and the high, obviously the high being made here. So we've got a high, low, high. We come down, we retest the low again. We're basically in a range like this, aren't we? And until we see a break in either direction of the range with a good amount of volume, a good amount of, conviction, we would say realistically, the market is just going sideways, isn't it? We're just consolidating here. Down around, I think we're down around 90% from those all-time highs. Up here, you can see down to this low here, we are down around 90%, which does tend to be the amount that, cryptocurrencies do fall, altcoins specifically, in bear markets before they do start to consolidate. And you can see quite clearly here that Avalanche has just been going sideways for the most part like this for the better part of 6 or 7 months now, really. It's been super boring. Everyone's losing interest. The volume is getting lower and lower, as you can see here. And you can see now, Avalanche just starting to get a little bit of a breakout of some key levels of resistance, isn't it? You can see we've got this resistance here, here, and here, which has actually been broken now over the past week or so here. We obviously come down, we tested the low, we get the breakout, the back test, and the continuation. Over the past week, we've had some very nice upside for Avalanche, along with a lot of cryptos, really, haven't we? Obviously, the low volume is a little bit of a concern, but overall, you can see we broke out of our 20 and our 55 here. And now looking like we're having another fairly bullish day here for Avalanche, heading up a very decent amount here from around, what was this? We opened at around $18 up to almost $20 here, so a very nice little gain. And you can see off this low to the current price, we're up around 36% in the last few weeks, which is obviously a really nice little upturn in the market, isn't it? So we'd say realistically, looking at this chart, potentially, as we've said for many cryptos, we could be putting in a double bottom here, depending on how the next few market moves do go over the next few months. If we see Avalanche doing something like this, where it's basically created we've come down, we've made our low, and we made basically an equal high, and now we've made an equal low. And if we do make a higher high like this, we could potentially come up, make a higher high, higher low, and reverse this trend that we have seen, because we've just been getting lower lows and lower highs all the way down, haven't we? This massive capitulation as well. So what we're looking for really is signs that, proper signs that we are heading to the upside again. And you can't really confirm that until you break this high here at around $30 and, start making higher highs and back testing and continuing like this. Because until you make a higher high and a higher low, then you basically haven't confirmed your trend, have you? Because you can come up, make a higher high, and then come down, make a lower low again, and, completely capitulate and sweep the market, which is obviously always possible. So, but from what we can see from Avalanche, our right now, our price targets, now that we're breaking out of these key levels of resistance here, we're going to be heading up, most likely up towards this $24 level, 0.23 Fibonacci retracement level here. We've obviously drawn our Fibonacci from our bull market high here down to this low here. And you can see our target now to the upside would be up towards that $24 level on that 0.23 extension. And if we do roll over to the downside, we will be looking to hopefully find support in these areas here on the 55 and the 20, looking like these could potentially start to cross like this for a bullish crossover pretty soon as well. Obviously, if we roll over further than that, we will be retesting that low at around $15, won't we? So overall, Avalanche just going sideways, doing what it needs to do, looking like it's consolidating maybe for another move to the upside fairly soon. So that's it for today, guys. A short and sweet video. Thank you everyone for watching. Make sure you check out the links in the description below to support the channel. Grab yourself some free money bonuses, like the video, subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you in the next video.